Helen, it's a bit odd. I'm talking to you as you're doing your wind down, but you've got a big smile on your face. That was a hell of a race, and you seem to pace it just right.
Yeah, I think I knew that today was going to be just about being totally confident that I could win and about timing. So I made sure I had quite a good lead so I could row well, and I kept on telling myself, wait till I've got 100 metres to go and just nail the finish no matter what. Close your eyes and just go for it. So
Because Fran is known to have a really strong, last 500 and a strong finish. That's her signature, it has been throughout her own career.
Yeah, so I think kind of knowing that and anticipating that, I think that's what racing is about. At the end of the day, it's not a time trial, and it's just knowing enough about your opponents and enough about yourself to win a race no matter what.
Yeah.
And so that's what I just tried to make sure I did today.
Yeah, we were just talking about the feel of these trials compared to last year's trials. I mean, how does it seem to you, sort of a year on?
Yeah, I suppose the main difference for me is that I'm in a single, and every girl is in a single, whereas last year I trialled in the pair. Other than that, even though there's no Olympic spaces up for grabs, I actually feel quite a lot of pressure because I'm an Olympic champion.
Yeah.
And that in itself, I didn't think I was going to feel pressure this trials, but actually it's come to this weekend and I've thought, actually, I've kind of got a reputation to live up to a little bit.
Yeah. And I guess you're going to go into more boat testing now, but the pair with Polly Swan was incredibly strong in Sydney, and there may be a good chance that we'll see you in that again this season.
Yeah, hopefully. And I think the singles results often don't reflect what you can do in a sweet boat, a pair, a bigger sculling boat. So actually, I think it's really exciting moving forward. Everyone's put in really good results in the singles. It was really competitive, and we've always been very excited moving on from Sydney with what could happen with the pair. We haven't been in the pair since we raced in Sydney. So I think secretly we're both kind of going, come on, bring on the next time we can show what we can do in the boat.
Brilliant. It's lovely to see such a smile on your face as well.
Thanks.